Hey, good morning. It's a little bright. I wanted to show you some pavers and why you should choose pavers. And at the same time, sand is going to move around. I get calls all the time about sand being gone. In this one section, there is sand gone, but it's polymetric sand, so it just needs to be replaced. Bear with me. All right, so I sealed this stone after they were installed. I was called out. A friend referred me, and so I came out. I sealed these stones. Turned out beautiful. This is Pietra cobble from Orco. It's a 5 stone combination. Fantastic. And I won't show you the entire house, but you can see that this is all normal. The sand's in there. They use the polymetric sand from Techniseal, which is good. It's all in. And then as we walk over here, the sand is missing. But that's fine. It's perfectly fine. We can put more sand in there. Sometimes because of movement, the sand will come out or the stones will shift a little bit. And again, this is why you want pavers. We live in California. The paver stones are going to move around a little bit, and that's probably what happened on this. But just a simple application of the polymetric sand, wet it down. I like to use sealer when I put her down into place, so it then fuses it and works together at the same time, but only in the cracks. Anyway, just wanted to show you this, and there's a couple more spots right up here that I'm going to clean out and then put the polymetric sand in, fill it in, make it look perfect again. Anyway, if you have sand missing, it's not a problem. Interlocking paver stones are supposed to flex. That's what this is doing. This is normal. Don't be scared. Dave Pratt, I'm out.